Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change wallpaper automatically on iPhone. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch settings on your iPhone. Now once you are here, simply scroll down below and tap on the option of wallpaper that you see here. Okay, here we go. Now once you come here, you'll see your current lock screen and wallpaper. Now simply tap on the option of add new wallpaper. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now simply tap on photo shuffle. Now once you come here, you can select various options for your wallpaper. You can also tap on the option of album so that your photo album can open, and then you can select your changing wallpaper according to your album's photos. Now over here, you'll see the option of use featured photo. That is the photos that have been displayed here on top. Or else what you can do is you can simply tap on the option of select photos manually. So after I tap on that option, your gallery will be opened. Now you can select any of these photos from your gallery for your shuffling automatic photos on your iPhone. Now once you have selected photos from your gallery, you can just go back. And then you can also select the shuffle frequency according to your choice. It has been set for hourly, so let me tap on the option of on tap. So if you tap on the wallpaper of your home screen or lock screen, your wallpaper will automatically change. So for now, I'm just gonna tap on the option of use featured photos. With that, you can also add various widgets to your lock screen, or else you can simply tap on the option of add that you see at the top right corner of your screen. Here we go. Now over here, you can also set as wallpaper pair for your lock screen and home screen. Now you can see that my wallpaper has been changed. If you tap on the photos, it will automatically change on your lock screen or home screen. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to change wallpaper automatically on iPhone. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.